Good night, good morning, and good day. We've got an exciting program for you, showing my updates on the Collab Canvas. So we have excellent real-time collaboration between users. If you see here, we've got cursors, we've got object motion, we got a multi-select with low latency. Things have to repopulate. We could get some batch going there. One of the more exciting features that we have is we have an AI chat that chooses tools and functions within our code. Let's go create a blue rectangle. Okay, we see that. We even have a confirm. We have a list for multi. I'll show you how that works. So here it's a little bit opaque. A little bit transparent, and then we click confirm and it rejoins. That's a novel tool. We got some grid formations, right? Generate 9 squares in a 3x3 grid. Failed to process, okay? Generate 9 circles in create 9 circles in a grid. I wonder where it's going to choose. There we go. Okay, so here's what this does. This shows us all of the different tasks that need to happen, and then I can choose to execute, and you see they become opaque as we go. We can even do some more advanced features, like for example, we can ask for create a login form and make it green. There we go. See, one challenge or one thing I haven't solved here or haven't gotten to yet is that we have layers. Yeah, let's get rid of that green. But here we have something here. That looks pretty nice and basic. So that's another feature that we implemented here is layer management, which is pretty fantastic. So in terms of architecture that we have for this particular project, we used a Firebase backend using Firestore for the main persistence and object and canvas type data. In addition, we used a real-time database in Firebase to keep track of cursor position and presence. So over here we have, for example, who else is online. That we have 2 collaborators online. For backend AI, used OpenAI 4.0 Mini for speed, focusing on speedy responses, and have a partial implementation of Lang Smith to monitor AI performance in calls. Moving towards on the front end, we have React with a Vite and with a Tailwind for CSS components. The reason we chose this is because React is good for client-side rendering. Tailwind looks nice. That was a recent adjustment. We have these hovering tools that came with the Tailwind migration, which looks fantastic. We also have a hover, it tells me the last edited user for part of the collaboration tools. This has been a really exciting project. I've learned a lot. If I were to go deeper into this, I would build a more well-architected AI orchestration system for more complex tasks. For example, if we wanted to build to generate completely original and an unlimited amount of ideas, we might want to work with a different corpus, potentially with fine-tuned data, fine-tuned models, or with larger models. So this has been an exciting project. I've learned a ton. It was quite challenging to build for many reasons, but using Zach Smith's feature task PRD task list process rule structure and cursor was actually a game changer. So shout out to Zach for helping make this happen.